friends, welcome all of you. Just have a break and do subscribe and come for the video. Today let us see about the spirituality and productivity. How the personal productivity will increase with the spirituality and spiritual practices. So that is our main questions, main motto of this video. Now let us switch on the topic one by one. Before that, we want to know each and every person under the sun, they should have like to have and they should have like to enhance their personal productivity for their upliftment of their organizations and their life, and also to double their income. For all purposes they need personal productivity in each and every aspect. You see that whenever we go to organizations or it may be the institutions, so wherever it may be, the peoples are compelled to enhance their productivity, whether it may be the products or it may be the institutions, whether it be the knowledge. So instead of their compelling to increase their productivity, they are in trouble to make the stress and burnout in their workplace. And also because of the fear, and they have to lose their creativity, and it leads to their absenteeism and the loss of loyalty, and finally they have the attrition in their day-to-day life, and also it leads to the health compensation, and they have to spend for more and more for the health consciousness. So because the compulsion of the productivity where they are doing their organizations or the institutions, it leads to the negative effect in their life and also to their organizations where they are working. So here we are going to discuss how the spirituality enhances one's personal productivity. You see that under the spiritual practices, we should have the knowledge. Those who are involved in the spiritual practices, they should have the purpose of life. Number two, they have the sympathy, they have the love, they have the forgiveness. They don't know how to trust and make them trust also ourselves. Then about the intelligence, then intuitions, then faith, creativity, and they have to build the very strong, healthy and relationship community among them. So it leads to make them have the more human values, they respect the other values, and also the result of all these effects, they can have the more compassion, the more energy, and also there the more wisdom. So what is the result? The conclusions of this, that by the chance of their productivity attributions, they can increase their personal productivity without any effort, without any compulsion, or without any intuitions like that. They have to keep on moving in their day-to-day lifetime. You see that. So what are the spiritual practices? We can do that at the workplace. Even some of the workplaces, they are giving the spiritual practices to their employees. Number one, they have given the morning prayer. Number two, they may have the regular meditation classes. Then number three, they have the meditation silence classes. Number four, they may undergo the yoga classes. Number five, they have the very strong and a spiritual community among them. So this makes them, they are not stick on the rules and regulations while they are giving the institutions. So behind that, they have to know the purpose of the life, purpose of their job, purpose of their organizations, and also they know the value of their seniors. They should know how to respect their elders, how to respect their working place, so how to respect their gurus. So finally it creates more their innovations, more their creativity, and more their human values, and with all dimensions they can very good at the decisions, and about their fortune, and about the policies, and about their formulas. So it leads to their very happiest mood and their sympathy mood in the working place. So it creates happy hormones, especially of the dopamine and the serotonin, so which are the brain triggers the very happiest hormones. It makes them to become the more productive in their working place and also in their lifestyles, in their personal life. So it enhances their income in their family and the society. So finally they will become the very successful and happiest persons we can see ever. So finally what we have seen that especially those peoples are spiritually practiced, not only they are giving the more productivity in their personal, and also they are very more satisfied and they have the more peak performance, and also they should have the very intelligence with intuitions, and also about the job commitment. So these all together make the progress in their personal life and also in their society life, and they build a very strong community. By that they can get the very wonderful life in their situations. So you see that very easily we can find out. So instead of having for the grace of the productivity by in other way, the spiritual practices, once if you undergo all these activities, a person can be a good human, a better be a good employee, a good be a better will be a best. Thank you dear friends. We will see you in the next video. Just those who are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and share your friends and give your valuable comments. See you, bye bye, your Anand Kumar. Thank you.